Hi, guys, and welcome back to yet another review. My name is Brother Bryce, and today I'm here to review some dog diaper suspenders by High Sprout. And today I've got the medium suspenders, the green and orange, and there's also a reverse color scheme of these that came two sets of suspenders in a pack, and I wasn't given the option to choose between the two different sizes. I got the medium. It did fit my little dog. I have a 17-pound dachshund, and then you'll see him in just a second. And the medium, I had to really shrink it down to make it fit him, but it did fit and it did work. So I want to let you know that these do work. Probably the one thing that I would complain about is that they do tend to slip. The buckles tend to slide along this. There's not a lot of traction here and they slide really easy. That makes it really easy to adjust. That's a plus. Also, it did not fail to hold up my dog's diaper. So let me show you what that looked like on him, and you guys decide. Okay, so we laid out the little belly band diaper. He's a little boy dog, and then you clip that thing on there, and you do it with the black inside facing up, and then we strap the Velcro. I find it easier to just go ahead and clip that on there before I put it on him, partly because I'm kind of paranoid about uh, for lack of better terms, jabbing him where it counts, and I don't want to. So I clipped it on him before I put the diaper on him, and then I crossed it over the top of his right shoulder, and then again over the top of his left shoulder, and you can see that I've got these straps cinched all the way down, as tight as they can go to hold the diaper up. And this keeps his diaper from sliding down, his little belly band from sliding down past, the parts that count, and it keeps him protected. And he's pretty comfy. As you can see, he's just pretty chill with that diety on there. So he's as happy as a clam as far as I can tell. But I'll give you a closer look at the little packaging here. So here's the packaging, dog diaper suspenders, and there's instructions on here on how to do it. They don't show it kind of the way that I do. So I put, as you can see in the video, I did hook that center strap, the shorter of the three straps, onto the front of the diaper first, or the dog's skirt or costume piece or whatever you want to use it for. I hooked that on first while it was still laying down before I put the dog in it, and then I put the dog over the top of it, like you saw in the video, and then you cross it over the dog. And they did give you kind of instructions on that. That little tip that I give you is just for your information. But I like the design of the buckles with the little round things with the teeth. This is a nice option. It doesn't seem to bother him. It doesn't seem to dig into him at all. But I did find in the end that these things, these buckles, they slip way too much. They slide really easy. You can see I'm not even having to do anything to slide it, and it becomes looser on him, which is kind of annoying. As often as I have to let him out to go potty or whatever, I have to keep adjusting it and making it tighter on him, and I don't want to have to keep doing that. Matter of fact, as a result of that, I basically switched back to using like a mattress topper clip, which is essentially the same kind of design as this. I'll show you, again, without putting you through the whole. Well, I'll just put the video back on. But you can see that it's just a Y design, right? It lays down, and I clip that onto the front of there so that it doesn't catch on him while I'm trying to clip it on, because I don't want I would hate for that to happen. But you can see that I have it cinched all the way down. It's pretty long for a medium. It'd probably fit quite a larger dog, honestly. So I do think that this is a good deal. They're not expensive, and I really do think that probably last a really long time. You get two of them, which is a bargain, and they do work. It never failed to hold up his diaper. Um, that was what I wanted was it for to keep it from creeping down, which is what was constantly happening with that particular diaper. You'll see my review of that in a later thing, but that 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 diaper does tend to slide down. Belly bands tend to slide down on these dogs, and so the suspenders really do work to do that. And I'm happy that they do that. I just wish that I didn't have to keep loosening it or tightening it. I have to take it off of him every single time that I let him outside. So that's already an ordeal, right? And we don't want to put our dogs through more ordeal. He's gotten really good at it. He just jumps right up there on the couch and does the thing with me. And so he's gotten really comfortable with it. He's totally used to it. And I hope that this helps you a lot. Anyway, I do like this. I'm going to give it 4 stars because it really does serve the purpose. It's just I wish that it didn't slip so easy. All right, you guys, have a great day. Bye bye.